It's a new city with tons of interesting architecture and some great people, and the festival was a lot of fun. I saw some people that I had met in Almaty in 2010, which was nice. And I enjoyed being here, enjoyed this city. I'm not much of a prognosticator, but seems a very nice place to live. They say it gets very cold, I don't know, but certainly since we've been here, the weather has been fantastic. So. I saw the diamond sword on the plane, actually, which I enjoyed very much. And maybe they'll have another good film on the way to Istanbul tonight. I've seen a few Kazakh films and enjoyed them a lot.